Hi, I'm Heather here at Colton RV in Wind Gap, PA. Today we are looking at the residence. It is the 40 CLDL, and let me take you for a little walk around. We're going to start here in the front. You'll see our big picture windows. That's a bedroom inside. Outside here, we have two 30-pound LP tanks. Around the back is where we're going to find our outdoor storage. Take a look inside here. This is also accessible inside underneath the bed. Let's go around the front. Around the front here, you will see there are two sets of hanging stairs. It's perfect for putting a deck out front of your unit. You want to use this unit usually a permanent site or on a personal property, and that way you can build a deck for that outside living. You have sliding glass doors here. And then you also have a separate entrance down here towards the end where you'll have your normal campsite door. Let's head inside. We come right into the living room here. You'll see your big L-shaped sofa. This does pull out to a trifold bed to sleep one person here. Right across from your televator TV comes out of your console, and you put it away when you're not using it, along with your fireplace. Here you'll step into your kitchen. You'll notice there's not a dinette, but we make up for that with the 4 stools around the island, perfect for an inside meal on those rainy days. Large sink, along with a residential size stovetop. Lots of room for your pots and pans with that oversized turkey oven. A lot of storage throughout the kitchen, along with this pantry that is big enough and deep enough to put your plates. Residential size refrigerator and freezer. Tons of drawers and storage in there. And then let's take a walk back to the bedroom right now. Here you'll find your master bedroom. Has a king size bed, dresser, windows all the way around. Over on the far side here you'll have our closet. It is a full closet all the way across. And then underneath our bed, we have all of that extra storage. And this is the one that is accessible from the outside. Other sleeping, we have 2 lofts here. One sleeps 3 people and the other sleeps 2 with storage up the lofts. First loft is up the spiral staircase. And then second loft will be up the straight staircase on the other side. So let's take a look up. Over here we have power shades on our upper windows, since you can't actually reach those with your hand. So there's a push of the button up and down, and to be able to keep that light in or out. Also you have a ceiling fan in the middle of the living room, along with 3 ACs in this unit. Let's look at the bathroom. Through here you're going to find your oversized bathroom, your extremely deep shower, and large linen closet, and or your washer and dryer will hook up right in there. 2 vessel sinks, along with under storage, and medicine cabinet. Thank you guys for touring the residence with me today. Give us a call at 610-863-5239 and ask for Heather, and we'll talk about how we can get this unit delivered to you.